Create a new project in your first main class in IntelliJ. Notice the date 2025.2.5. We first go to new project, and if I type out hello world as a typical new project is, I already have a hello world defined in the namespace, which means I've done this before. It ain't my first rodeo, as they say. So you can't have replicated namespaces. So I'm just going to cheat and do hello world 2. Now we see the create button right here, one click, and we have created our hello world. And notice, I wish I would have pointed this out. Notice that we did not have the sample code checked. So please don't do that. And as a matter of fact, let's just do another project here really quick and see where it says add sample code. Make sure you have that unchecked. Okay, now let's go. Now this is good that I made that little error because we can see that this is how your projects are divvied up. So go back to Hello World 2, it's empty. So now the question is, how do you create we have our project, how do you create your first namespace? It's vital that you go to source. You don't start with hello world. You go to source and then you right click. Now on my Mac, right click is control and then left click. For those of you that are using PC, meaning Windows, you may not be using a mouse. So again, you have to figure out what the right click is on your system. If you're using a mouse, it literally is right click. Anyways, so we go to new, and it's vital you go from source. You don't if you right click from hello world, it's not going to give you the option that you wanted. So we go to src or source. We right click, we go to new, then we go to Java class. Now this is strange, the naming convention. Now we see a website, it might be www.example.com. Okay, so the way package systems work, because it asks you for the first new class, you define your package. It works in reverse. So it goes com dot, and then you might say hello world 2 dot hello world 2. So it's like a domain name in a reverse, except hello world 2 technically is the name of the package, and then hello world 2 is your very first, class name within the main function. So we're going to press enter, and then we see here this is already built for us by IntelliJ. Now we're going to press enter, and this is our first, and believe it or not, this is auto typed. All you got to do is press tab, and then boom, we have our first main class, and then we can see everything that's been auto generated right here. Our first main class within Hello World 2. So this is technically Hello World 2 is the name of our main function. It could be capital M main, or the name of the same name of the program itself, or in this case, the name of the package, which is also the name of the program. I want you to keep the class, package, and project names consistent with each other. If you don't, you're likely going to wind up with an error.